Everybody, and today we're going to be running the beagles. It's snowing right now.
Addie the buddy. I'll turn her light on. I'll show y'all a tip actually with the collar. She stays still. 2 fingers. As tight as you can go. And it leaves enough room where you know if you get to shock them, you can shock them. You don't want it too tight or too loose. Then you can also do this with the antenna. Hang on, Eddie. There you go. What, Eddie? You ready to go, girl? There you go.
Get girl.
Well, he don't want to stand still.
What are you doing, Mike?
Well.
What? You done this like last time we went running.
Oh.
Yes. What are you doing, Addie?
Yeah.
What? There they went. You can't see them no more. Yeah, you can. A little bit. Not a lot, though. Because of the snow. Waldo, what is it? What is it, buddy? Look how tall Ghost is compared to Waldo. Waldo. There you go.
You know who's coming out first.
Ghost.
Back. Get back. Back.
Waldo, get back.
Waldo, you better stay back.
I got him. I just hold him.
No. Back.
Get back, Waldo. Stay. Stay.
Get back.
I'll stay.
Get back.
You don't get to go yet, Ghost. You will in a minute. After Addie and Lane. What are you doing, old Ghost?
On, go, Waldo. Back, Ghost.
Gotta run up this hill. Oh no. There I go. I'm not making it. Oh, somebody.
Oh, you're making it, man.
Oh no. I'm gonna fall. Whew. How'd you make it up here? Yeah, one of them's whimpering. Like they smell one. I missed. Oh, Addie. I swear it was done at me.
I ain't gonna throw it at you.
He threw it at me. I need a sled. Should have brought a sled. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna snow. Oh gosh. It's like packing snow and wet snow. Trying to get it figured out. But they smell one down here.
Hey, hey!
Shut the door.
Oh!
Good, good. Bruh.
There's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. No, never mind. It's just snow. I thought I seen the rabbit. It was snow. Whew. Snowing heavy. They're up there. The rabbit's
Hey,
up.
guys. We haven't been running in a while. Just get the snow, but I found them a rabbit. We got all of them out.
You know good and well they did.
They side chased them.
Yes,
Like,
they almost did.
Now I started to call them over here. They got one going.
oh, he smells.
Okay, he smells a rabbit. They lost that rabbit, but there's tracks from a rabbit right here. Lane! Waldo smells it.
Yeah. Go look, Ghost over there. I think he smells it over there. Might. We seen rabbit tracks across the road. They look fresh, didn't they? One dog boy.
That ghost had that check right there. But he didn't open up.
Yeah.
Right.
Doing good, Troy. Make it in.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that. Waldo bark. He jumped that rabbit, Troy. Doing really good. There's Addie. Hey guys. Waldo Ghost in Lane. There's Addie.
My cross. Whew. Lane and Addie. I'm doing good tonight. On fire. Waldo and Ghost ain't barking because they're very tight mouthed. Super tight mouthed. They won't bark. It has to be up before they bark. Which it might be up right now. It has to be super fresh before. You're rolling all the way up in there. You can't even see, it's just snowing so much.
Look how far they are up there.
Yeah, they're right there. Way.
Look how way behind Waldo is.
He's like right here.
You gotta be quiet. You understand me? He's old. Yeah, he needs exercise. You gotta be quiet.
Here, look how there's 3 of them up there. Broke down.
Oh, they're running.
They're still running it. Getting so far I can't hear them.
6, 7. working snow good too. Let's see their speed. This just says 2.1.
Tag going. Oh, it's getting boggy. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow. Still running this rabbit.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
What?
They're getting far. Hey! Okay, we have to get the dogs back here. They was going over the mountain. About to cross over. And we would have had to take off up that way to go get them. And we didn't want to do that, so we had to get them off of it. Because look at the snow. I don't think nobody wants to do this, that, in this kind of snow. But last time we was here, there was a big old buck. Well, it had to be a buck rabbit because it ran 30, 40 minutes for Waldo. And it was probably this rabbit that they was just now running. I'm trying to look for the tracks. See how big they are. Here, Addie, here's the line. Here, come here. Come on. It sucks getting them off of it. No. That's not. I don't know, but they was running that forever. Good girl, Addie. You done good on that. Whew, you're soaked.
Hey, look at their tails.
Good boy, Lane. You done good. You done good.
So, hey, let's see if
Addie's still wanting to run.
Good boy, Lane.
Shoo.
Good boy.
Oh,
look at her.
Lane. I mean, Addie. Hey. Can you turn them two off?
No.
Oh. You turn it off. There we go. Okay, guys, that is gonna do it for this video. We ran Waldo, Ghost, Addie, Lane. They done great, especially the pups. They done great. Lane, I think Lane got one going by herself, and I don't know about Addie. I think she did. But yeah, they done great that night. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also make sure to hit that like button. Like right in here somewhere. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.